I'm not gonna do cell because you know how hard cell is to make. He's like 10 times harder than making anything else. So I just wanted to make the easiest one ever, Goten. Okay. Real hair, 3,820. Front hair, 5. Scarf, 54. Belt, 100. Sock, 7. Shoe, 13. Glove, 3. Sleeve, 17. Jacket, 500 and 158. Shirt, 1,205, 541. Back hair, 1,200 and 490. Have to charge my thing up. Now, eyes, 1. Pupils, 999. Face, AC, 1. Face, AC, 1. Face, AC, 1. 2,528. Or you can just call it 200 and 528. And I believe that's it. I mean, it doesn't look that much, so yeah, we're done. Okay, back hair, back hair color, jacket color, sleeves color, scarf color, belt color, color 2 color, and you're finished. Also, I might not be able to make tutorials a little bit, considering that my mom's gonna take everything away from me. And I don't know why, but all I just want to say is hopefully you guys did like all of my tutorials.